we are here today to demand that New York fully fund our family courts in this year's state budget. The backlog in the family court system is atrocious.
I can only talk about New York City, and the backlog consists of anywhere from 3,000 to 5,000 cases in each borough.
This problem is exacerbated by the severe shortage of family court judges and support personnel, leaving countless parents unrepresented in complicated and drawn-out proceedings, and leaving our children caught in the middle of a hobbled justice system.
When you have to wait 3 months, 4 months, 6 months or more to have your case heard, it rips apart families, and it's irreparable. It does irreparable harm to the children. It does irreparable harm to the parents.
Separated families is a childhood trauma on par with physical abuse and other abuse. There's a report that was put out by the court, I believe it was 2 years ago, that showed us that the New York State capacity to do supervised visitation is almost nothing, almost zero.
Family courts often order parents to have at least some supervised visitation with their children. Yet how can a parent see their child when there is no one to supervise? The proposal discussed today will ensure that the bonds between child and parent remain strong.
The New York State Bar Association has as its core mission a commitment to protecting and improving access to justice. This is the cover child of access to justice. We have consistently fought for additional resources that would ensure representation for those who cannot afford to retain counsel themselves. I'm particularly concerned about the need for increased funding to bring 18B attorney compensation in line with the federal standards.
There's not enough attorneys that do this work because of the low pay and the failure to provide the support services that attorneys need to actually do their job effectively.
And I can tell you that I know of one rural county that has 2 18B lawyers. 2.
We, as public defenders in the state of New York, have to tell our clients and our family court attorneys, you are not entitled to the same services that our criminal defense clients are entitled to. That has to be rectified immediately.
We're talking about families, individuals who are in crisis already. To put off their crisis because of a lack of funding or attention to the court is inhumane, unconscionable, and can't stand. So that's why we're here to say we need this additional $102 million to rectify a long-standing problem that is only getting worse since COVID. Thank you. Thank you, everyone.